Let's get into it. Some quick and easy ciabatta toast points. So you're gonna take your ciabatta roll and just split it in half. These that I purchased were actually already pre-cut, so I just had to separate them with my fingers. Super easy, super simple, and I loved how soft and airy they were on the inside. That's all those big bubbles. I went in with my EVOO, my extra virgin olive oil. I just wanted to hit that and just drizzle it from corner to corner, get it all over, because that's what's gonna make our bread like nice and crispy on the outside but still soft on the inside. Going in with our Italian seasoning. This is actually one of my favorite kind of quick bread sides to make just because it's so simple and easy. You just toss everything on top of it, toss it in your oven or air fryer, and it's done. Perfect side for pasta or perfect by itself. Great little snack, depends on how you cut it up. We are going with my favorite seasoning, my black pepper. And then we're gonna hit this with a little bit of salt. Not too much because we don't want it too salty. And the bread is thin, so it'll get salty really easy. And then garlic powder. I already told you how much I love garlic. So I put a little bit of extra than I put in the recipe, but you can do it to taste. And then we just go in and cut them up. You can cut them smaller than this, but I love a big triangle. It just seems like fancy. That bread breaking apart irritated me so bad, I'm not gonna hold you. And then we put it on our pan. It's non-stick, so didn't need to grease it or add foil or anything. This broken piece drove me nuts, but I was like, you know what? We trucking, we making it through it. And then we put it into our oven at 415 to bake. Now, I'm showing you this because I just want to be transparent. I actually burned this. I was on my phone and forgot it in the oven. So this is actually still pretty good. I'm going to turn it into croutons. But, you know, thanks to the magic of filmmaking, I made another batch and this is how it turned out. Look at how perfect it is. Like this is what it's supposed to look like. And there we go. There's our ciabatta toast points.